Natasha got this fancy ass car and don't know how to back.
Yeah, but dope in the bush. Dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. But dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Yeah.
Well, we don't know how to back out of the parking spot. They should got this fancy ass car and don't know how to back. Like, and don't know how to back out of the parking spot. Oh shit! Okay, look, y'all.
I'm finna yell at Jacob.
You got phone to pick with Jacob because he should have told us.
I hope so. I got some words to say.
All right, guys. So I have officially landed in. Yep, that's him. I have officially landed in Houston. We gonna wait for Javay. Yeah. So now, y'all, this is my new hair I got. Let's see how it worked, how I act this weekend. How we not see this right here though is what I'm trying to figure out. How we not see the letters? Like, y'all, we done press them at everything, trying to find this stuff.
Jacob, we did not know how to get in reverse in this car.
You should have told us what the buttons were. We sat there for a minute trying to figure
the turning signal, the water. We hit this 17 times.
Wait, quick question. How do you do it? Where's it?
right here.
Oh, okay. I didn't know either. Y'all taught me
It was so hard.
That's your driver's license really quick?
Yes, I forgot. Where is my wallet? I said we're gonna be stuck here, and then there was nobody over there, so we didn't know where to go or what to do.
They'd have been coming over there like not knowing how to do it.
Oh, I
Right.
don't know why I was giving you that. My bad.
Whatever, at least you proved it worked for United now.
I know, right?
Got a fake discount.
All right.
Nah, you guys were great.
Thank
How would you say your experience went?
A 10 out of 10.
10, yeah.
Y'all have fun, okay?
All right, thank you. So y'all, we have officially made it to the Airbnb. So I'm gonna give y'all a really quick tour. I'm still trying to figure everything out myself. All right, so this is the front door. And then we have a room over here. And then a closet. Washing machine and dryer. Have the bathroom, or at least one of the bathrooms. This is the outside. It looks really cute. It's like the gate. Looks so modern. Oh shit, she got everything out of the car. Y'all, we got this big ass Lincoln. It's a 2021. It's really nice. As you guys seen earlier, we couldn't even figure out how to get the thing started. Alright, so when you walk in from the garage, this is what you see. Sorry if this video is all over the place. So this is the living room. TV area. Are you gonna open this up? Okay, so we're trying to figure this out. Give us a minute. But the furniture is cute. They have a nice little stuff going on here. Excuse the groceries and the bags. We literally just got in.
And what's crazy is, I know I decided somewhere. Because the first thing I did.
And here is the other room. So this would be the master. We gotta figure this out. But it opens to a backyard and it's supposed to be like a pool and stuff back there. And then here's the master. See, this is the kind of mirror I want in my house, but I want the light around the edges. But anyway, so this is it. And it has a standalone tub. Ooh, it's a massive walk-in shower. Alright, so toilet over there. And then here is the walk-in closet. Oh, wow, okay. This is nice. We got the cameras. Oh, let me just have a mirror. Okay. So this is the entire Airbnb. Y'all, we got it, y'all.
We definitely don't have time. Look, there's a patio out. We need niggas. We need men.
This is nice.
1, 2, 3.
That's going booming, they got it on smash. And I got the.
I did it to the gas. I put it in the house. I get it just you blast. I said it to my mama.
Don't let nobody in. Super, you showed out again. And we just keep serving and serving again and again and again and again. I'm really gang with the redness. I'm Harlem shaking through the pressure. I'm Michael Diddy on my next shit. I might can fit you in on Wednesday. I'm not here for no pretend shit. Just walk in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making with an entrance. That's when you know it's a body. Zone since they know it's a body. Kirkwood they know it's a body. No Mexico know it's a body. Scooter in here with the zombies. Gucci get out, that's a problem. I might take Quentin and Follies. You hate your life, just be honest. I got the digital dash. She want a picture with all of my niggas that just made the visual last. But she too embarrassed to ask.
That was good.
I got my foot on the neck and my foot on the gas. You remind me of a quarterback, your shit is all in the past.
Stick it in. So how do you feel about you really just? Oh, you gotta go in deep. This is so rated R.
All right.
Oh wow, I didn't want raspberry. How does it taste? Oh, really good. You sure? I want vanilla.
I want to try vanilla as well.
Yeah, my dope in the bush. Dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. My dope in the bush.
This is so rated R. This is not for little kids. And not for children. This is not for children.
I need me another one. That is good, actually. I'm not very big on like filled anything food. Thank you. You're just feeling all the food tonight, ain't you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daisha.
Let's all drink. Thank y'all for coming.
You're welcome.
Thank you, everybody. 26. So pretty. Thank y'all. But old as shit. Feel it in my bones. I know what to do.
You rats will never be honorable. They know I'ma get up my word. I hustle the first to the first. These bitches be lagging the kid. They get them a month for the nerves. I showed them a Rex and they love it. I'm smoking that pack and I'm muddy. Taliban on these hoes. Give a hand to these hoes. Got a plan with their nose. I sleep on the bitch off the avenue. I came to the city with revenue. I put in work, it was evident. I slide on your ass in the 7 deuce. Come back in the bitch in the 6 tray. Chevy Mercedes, I keep them coming. Fuck all these bitches, I keep them coming. I pull up right now, I'm parallel. I hit your block with the swingers. My niggas ain't never some bangers. I sit in the trap with the gangsters. You can come around here cause it's dangerous. I be hanging around here, I'm famous. Gotta keep the trigger by my finger. Hit a sideways with a banger. In the driveway on a perk. I was sideways on the perk. Had a stick on me, that's first. Got your bitch on me, get murdered. I post up and that's confident. I boast up and I drop 6 and a Ghost Rush and I pop shit. I'm a
Now we do this. BBK. Don't count.
And what she said? We're in a nice establishment. Yes, and we gotta act accordingly. We must. I said we must. We must. At all times. Because we don't want them to take us out. Exactly.
We already, well, y'all are still hungover from 2 hours ago.
I'm fine. I'm a little tipsy still. I will say that. Still tipsy.
Well, that's good. That's what you came here to do.
Exactly. I can get drunk when I get back to the crib.
Period.
Period.
We're gonna have a good time.
We are. You drinking tonight?
I'm having a little champagne, you know.
A little okay, real classy. Okay. Okay.
You know, just a little champagne, a little something. I can't, you know, I'm a lightweight. No, I really am. I will literally be like
Out.
I will literally be passed out if I had one drink.
Okay.
I can't hang like you guys, which is why I know my limit, which is why I don't drink.
I know mine too, but I have a high tolerance.
I don't have a high tolerance.
I do.
And I did not I didn't eat.
You know, I only ate some hot Cheetos. I ate breakfast and then hot Cheetos, and that was it.
No boy with that car trip. I came in the game and had crack on me. Got babe on my back with some echo. I'm single and shit, now she lashing me. I told him I'm back, I'm about you. I get focused on millions and everything. I just took me a trip out to Africa. See how we came from the mud and the bottom. I see how they counting this. I bet they never gonna do it again. See why they niggas be hating. They knowing I'm going right in. I was born to get this money and this life is sin. I pulled up before they got my dog on murder again. See the fire come out the ass on the Lamborghini. When you say you love a nigga, do you really mean it? When I was sleeping on the floor, you should see how they treat me. I pulled an activist pop pill so I can fight the demons. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the passenger. I got that junkie a blast. I said it go to my mama. Out on the street like the thermometer. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm a kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first.
These bitches be nagging the kid. Fuck it, it is what it is. If you get hit, get hit. I don't forget or forgive. Told myself never again. I don't let nobody in. Super just showed out again. And we just keep serving and serving again and again and again and again. I'm really game moving redless. I'm Harlem shaking through the pressure. I'm Michael Diddy on my neck shit. I'm Michael Fitch in on Wednesday. I'm not here for no pretend shit. Just walk in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making with an entrance. That's when you know it's about.
Hey guys, so today is Thursday. So last night, as you can see, we went out to eat to a steakhouse. The food was really, really good. I had the prime steak, and it came with like some house of butter sauce that they had or something. It was really, really good. After that, y'all, we were so tired from the day, like we just crashed. So today, we are here at the Turkey Leg Hut. We're gonna try this out, and then the Prospect Park after this. So I've never been to Turkey Leg Hut, so we'll see how this goes. Y'all, literally the music is always on in the house, so I can't really vlog for real inside the house, you know, copyright. So when I do get a chance or whatever, I try and find somewhere where there's no music so I can talk to y'all. But yeah, so let's eat us some Turkey Leg Hut.
Oh, they got my dog on murder again. See the fire come out the ass on the Lamborghini. When you say you love a nigga, do you really mean it? When I was sleeping on the floor, you should see how they treat me. I pulled an activist pop pill so I can fight the demons. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the passenger. I got that junkie a blast. I said it go to my mama. Out on the street like the thermometer. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm a kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first.
These bitches be nagging the kid. Fuck it, it is what it is. If you get hit, get hit. I don't forget or forgive. Told myself never again. I don't let nobody in. Super just showed out again. And we just keep serving and serving again and again and again and again. I'm really game moving redless. I'm Harlem shaking through the pressure. I'm Michael Diddy on my neck shit. I'm Michael Fitch in on Wednesday. I'm not here for no pretend shit. Just walk in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making with an entrance. That's when you know it's a bite. Don't since they know it's a bite. Kirk with it.
About to eat, and then at around 8:30ish, I'm gonna start getting dressed. We're gonna leave the house anytime between 9:30 and 10 tonight. I don't understand who puts the microwave all the way up here. Like, it's taller than me. This makes no sense.
Know it's a body. No Mexico know it's a body. Scooter in here with the zombies. Gucci get out, it's a problem. I might take Quentin the Follies. You hate your life, just be honest.
You know you've been ducking all the shots for the whole 3 days.
All the shots. Ready?
Love y'all. Thank you.
Cheers to the last night.
I said it go to the mama. Out on the street like the thermometer. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm a kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first.
These bitches be nagging the kid. Fuck it, it is what it is. If you get hit, you get hit. I don't forget or forgive. Told myself never again. I don't let nobody in. Super just showed out again. And we just keep serving and serving again and again and again and again. I'm really game moving redless. I'm Harlem shaking through the pressure. I'm Michael Diddy on my neck shit. I'm Michael Fitch in on Wednesday. I'm not here for no pretend shit. Just walk in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making with an entrance. That's when you know it's a body. Zone since they know it's a body. Kirkwood they know it's a body. New Mexico know it's a body. Scooter in here with the zombies. Gucci get out, that's a problem. I might take Quentin the Follies. You hate your life, just be honest. I got the digital dash. She want a picture with all of my niggas that just made the visual last. But she too embarrassed to ask. I got my foot on their neck and my foot on the gas. You remind me of a quarterback, your shit is all in the past. That's going booming, they got it on smash. I got the.
Here's the driver. We got mama back there, Key back there, holding it down. We ain't gonna ask where everybody else at, okay? We not gonna do that. Hi guys, so I officially made it back home. I literally just got home. Y'all, a nail went missing. Y'all, last night was pretty wild. But I'm definitely hungover and not feeling too well right now. So I am going to eat and then I'm going to lay down. This was a great couple of days to celebrate Daisha's birthday. Ooh, but child. Ooh, child. I must recuperate. So I'm about to get in the shower now. I got some food downstairs and I just picked that up on my way home. So I'm gonna eat that. And then I'm probably gonna end up knocking out like for the rest of the day. I was supposed to go to Tampa, as you guys know. I was supposed to fly in today because I was supposed to come back home on Sunday, not Friday. But yeah, the event ended up getting canceled. The baby shower I was going to ended up getting canceled. My friend, she ended up like getting really sick and stuff, so they canceled it. So I won't be going this weekend. I'll just do virtual from the house or whatever. So yeah, I needed to come home. And since the baby shower is on Sunday now, it's gonna be like both things are gonna be done on Sunday, so virtual and the actual baby shower. So and the flights, and the thing is that from Houston there's direct flights into Tampa, but here in Memphis there's no direct flights or whatever for me to get to Tampa. I would have to like connect somewhere. And the problem is that I'm not gonna be able to make a flight out on Sunday because I have some things that I have to do on Monday that were planned for Monday, because you know I was supposed to be back home on Sunday and then Monday start back pretty much working again. So yeah, I can't do Sunday now. So but yeah guys, so that will probably conclude this vlog. Y'all, I'm tired. I thought it was gonna be longer, and I'm sorry if it's like very choppy or whatever. I tried to also be in a moment but also vlog for you guys at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I get it.